To create and upload a new occurrence record on the EDDMapS Pro app, make sure you are on the home screen or invasives map. Then select the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to open your options for reporting a new record. Your options will be use my location, draw a polygon, drop a marker, or take a photo. For more information on these options, please watch the Options to Create a Report video. The location assigned to the record will be based on your device's GPS. For this demonstration, we will use my location. Again, it will use your device's current location according to its GPS as the coordinates for the record. Next, you'll select the species you want to report from the list of available species. You can search the list by typing the species name in the search option, or you can search by common name, scientific name, or priority. If the species you're reporting is not an option, use unlisted or unknown and add the name of the species in the comments for later editing. The species is now added to the reporting form. Within the reporting form, you will want to attach images to help verifiers review the record. You have two options to do this. Take a picture or choose from gallery, and you can add as many images as you would like. The next option is private. This governs the public availability of the coordinates. You can control whether the coordinates of the report are visible to the public by either leaving it blank or, if checked, hiding the exact location. If you hide the location, it will only be visible to the public at the county level. Location will show the device's current location according to its GPS. Time spent is great for tracking hours spent surveying. For infestation status, positive means the species was found, treated means the species was found and managed, and negative means the species was looked for but not found. Make sure you select the appropriate status for the report you are submitting. Under infestation, this is where the reporting form will vary depending on taxonomic class. If you're reporting a plant, options include habitat, area, and approximate density of the occurrence. Area is auto-filled when a polygon is drawn within the Draw a Polygon option for creating a new report. If you're reporting a wildlife species, options include quantity and life status. And if you're reporting an insect, options include host species, habitat, damage type, damage severity and area, and the pattern of damage. The form will prompt you for the fields that are required if they are blank when you attempt to save the record. The last options within the reporting form are to enter any notes and treatment comments if applicable. Finally, make sure you tap Save at the bottom of the report to save it to your upload queue.